are your customers? And we always want to remind everyone, as much as we want to say, oh, we want everybody to be our customer, we can serve everybody, we can help everybody. The unfortunate reality is you can't reach everyone, or you can't reach everyone well. So when we create personas of our ideal customers, doesn't have to be all of our customers, but our ideal customers, we can better suit their needs and better fit our messaging to their personality, interests, goals, etc. So you want to define those personas on personality, demographics, so their age, gender, location, their interests. Are they into sports? Are they into pop culture? Are they into health and fitness? Like, would it make more sense for you to tie in the free agency in the NFL right now? Or would it make more sense for you to tie in the Oscars that just happened in your messaging based on your customers' interests? What are their goals and unmet needs? Do they have financial goals? Do they have aspirational goals to achieve recognition from their peers? What are the things that they are looking to achieve in their life, and how can you help them meet that goal directly or indirectly? What are their values? So as we mentioned, one of our values is empathy, but oftentimes customers value sustainability, or for local businesses, they value community. How are your values aligning with their values? And when you're defining your personas, you want to identify those that have the same values as you, because those are going to be the best fit. What are their fears, doubts, and frustrations? One big fear is the fear of missing out, whether that is on a sale or on, getting the hottest, most popular thing. We're seeing this a lot with Stanley Cups, for instance. And then what is their buying behavior like? Do they tend to shop online? Do they tend to shop in store? Do they do a lot of research before buying? Or are they more impulse shoppers? Things like that.